Welcome to General Knowledge Study Circle. Please like and subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Full form of www. Answer: World Wide Web. Question number 2. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Answer: Fatima Bibi. Question number 3. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was passed in the year. Answer: 2005. Question number 4. When was the India people celebrates Independence Day? Answer: 15th August. Question number 5. National Ayurveda Day is celebrated on. Answer: 25th October. Question number 6. Which one of the following states have 91% wild water buffalo population of the world? Answer: Assam. Question number 7. Who composed Indian national anthem? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 8. The first technical university for women in India was established at. Answer: Delhi. Question number 9. Which year the National Mental Health Program was started in India? Answer: 1982. Question number 10. What is the Canada's national sport? Answer: ice hockey. Question number 11. CAD means. Answer: computer aided design. Question number 12. What is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga river. Question number 13. Which of the following states has the largest area under mangrove forest? Answer: West Bengal. Question number 14. Where was the India's first submarine museum established? Answer: Visakhapatnam. Question number 15. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? Answer: Rajasthan. Question number 16. The National Youth Day is celebrated on. Answer: January 12th. Question number 17. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day? Answer: 9th October. Question number 18. Where the first residential school for the passengers was established in India? Answer: Kochi. Question number 19. What is the height of the three wooden stumps in cricket? Answer: 28 inches. Question number 20. The Press Council of India was first set up in the year. Answer: 1966. Question number 21st. Name of the India's first home built conventional submarine of Scorpion class. Answer INS Kalvari. Question number 22. Which state has the largest number of Buddhists in India? Answer Maharashtra. Question number 23. Where the India's first multi-sports museum inaugurated? Answer Kolkata. Question number 24. Full form of modem is? Answer modulator demodulator. Question number 25. The present pin code system in India was introduced in the year? Answer 1972. Question number 26. On what date is the National Army Day celebrated? Answer January 15th. Question number 27. POCSO Act is related to? Answer children. Question number 28. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is awarded for outstanding research. Answer science. Question number 29. In which did India win the World Cup for the first time in the cricket? Answer 1983. Question number 30. Which cricketer is known as Rawalpindi Express? Answer Shoaib Akhtar. Question number 31. Which one is only rack railway in India? Answer Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Question number 32. The Prime Minister of India's Saubhagya scheme is associated with? Answer household electrification. Question number 33. Who gave the slogan ecology is permanent economy? Answer Sundarlal Bhoguna. Question number 34. Who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Answer Jamshedji Manekshaw. Question number 35. Jaspal Rana is related to which game? Answer shooting. Question number 36. The autography Unbreakable is written by which sports person? Answer Mary Kom. Question number 37. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? Answer 10 states. Question number 38. Who is the third citizen of India? Answer Prime Minister. Question number 39. What is the total number of characters in Hindi language? Answer 52 characters. Question number 40. Sabarimala is situated in which of the following states? Answer Kerala. Question number 41. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Answer Marathi. Question number 42. The Indian city which experiences the longest period of sunlight during summer is? Answer Srinagar. Question number 43. Who designed the Aadhaar logo? Answer Atul S. Pandey. Question number 44. What was the smallest ocean in the world? Answer: Arctic Ocean. Question number 45. In which category was Sachin Tendulkar nominated as the member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer: Social Science. Question number 46. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? Answer: 4th December. Question number 47. The easternmost part of India is in? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 48. Full form of LAN? Answer: Local Area Network. Question number 49. The Paradeep port is located in which state? Answer: Odisha. Question number 50. Who was the compiled the rule of motion of the planets? Answer: Kepler.